We got the good stuff times 2 today. Tyson at Garage Life RC has sent me some stuff. I have no idea what's in here, but it's all for what some are calling the most controversial RC car of the year, the Traxxas Mini Maxx. So let's see what he sent me. Ah man, gotta have it, especially now the weather's getting cold. So let's see what our friend Tyson over Garage Life RC has cooked up for this little car here. Let's see what he sent. Okay, man, a battery strap system. So now we can run any kind of battery, which is good. Oh, that is beautiful. The wheelie bar. This RC, especially now on 3S, definitely needs it. Man, sent me some coasters to sit your cups on. Oh, look at this. We've got some, I think these are, yeah, I heard him mention something about Nerf bars, so I'm gonna go here on the side. Add some color. Man, I'm all about adding a little color to this. What we got here, it says Mini Maxx. We'll figure it out here in a minute. Oh, cool. So he also custom prints a ESC mount to fit the Max 10 in here. See, so I got mine kind of rigged up on a piece of ABS, but you might be able to see, not sitting quite level. So that'd be good. We can get that fixed. Boom, got some stickers. So check him out, man. GarageLifeRC.com. He's got YouTube channel and Facebook and all that. If you have any doubts about 3D printed stuff, I mentioned it before, man. It's really good stuff. I had problems with the very first stuff I ever bought that was 3D printed, but it wasn't from him. And I didn't think I'd ever go that route again. But here I am. Oh, okay. I think that's what these are. These, yeah. These go into the bumper mounts. Give you a little color. Oh, look at that. It just snapped in. That one did. Boom. Got some stickers. So check him out, man. GarageLifeRC.com. He's got YouTube channel and Facebook and all that. If you have any doubts about 3D printed stuff, I mentioned it before, man. It's really good stuff. I had problems with the very first stuff I ever bought that was 3D printed, but it wasn't from him. And I didn't think I'd ever go that route again. But here I am. Oh, okay. I think that's what these are. These, yeah. These go into the bumper mounts. Give you a little color. Oh, look at that. It just snapped in. That one did. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff mounted, and I will check back in with you when we have all of this done. Alrighty, it is done. Let me know what you think. Absolutely beautiful. I will give you one tip for these. I kind of screwed up and overdrove the screws. The rubbery kind of material here is what's going to keep the screws from falling out. You don't need to overdrive. I put the screws a little bit too far and the body didn't want to go in, so you just want to put the screws in to where they just come up to the top, maybe a little bit less. The wheelie bar. Oh, this is going to be so awesome for this little RC. Now what's really cool is, man, check this out. Let's zoom in. If any of you worked on this, you know we got these plugs here for where the ESC goes in. Look, he even 3D printed a plug to go in and fill in the gaps. Freaking awesome, man. Absolutely amazing. Attention to detail. The wheelie bar, nice, flexible. Oh, here we go. Let's zoom back. So yeah, this thing is gonna do good. Hopefully the wheels should loosen up here. But yeah, think about this, and he's so fat, he's already on it. He's already got these parts for here, like the wheelie bar. Trax is going to make one, but it's not going to be available to sometime January. And then this is what you're going to end up doing to your body, because they don't have the skids available. They don't have. Now I could have put his roof skids on here, but I kind of wanted to do the Traxxas one because it also has a tailgate protector. But even the roof skids wouldn't have protected the back of the body from that. But he does sell roof skids that work pretty good. But I mean, he's out before the manufactured thing. So we got these like little bumper supports here. Just help stiffen the bumper up a little bit, or give it a little more cushion on impact. But the ESC mount, that's really nice. That's in there. That's not going to go anywhere. Then we got the strap here. So now we're a little more open to use batteries. We're still kind of limited with this, where they put this receiver. The battery has to go kind of underneath there, but hopefully we can still work around that. So now let's go take it out, test out, and see how these parts work. I think too what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some spacers on this back suspension, because maybe too when I do that, maybe it won't kind of maybe unload maybe on a jump and cause the front end. I don't know, but it's just really, it's very firm here in the front. See, it bounces back quick. This is like, just kind of dead. Let's take it out, see how it works. All right, I don't have time to head out to the park, so I'm just gonna be a little lazy and test the wheelie bar here in the house. Hell yeah, that's working. That's working good. Yeah, we're not going up on the roof. Just do a little off-roading here. Hell yeah, this thing's friggin' ripping. Oh, whoo. Yeah, so wheelie bar definitely helps. And now if you nail it, just go full bore. It's gonna do that. You can still overpower, but that's kind of like to say with that, any wheelie bar. I've done that with other cars with wheelie bars, but that is definitely something that was needed. Definitely something that this little thing needed. All right, here in the backyard, got the ramp set up. Move, cat. Today. Whoa! Oh, sorry, kitty. You're like right in the way. I'm not trying to like, well, see, I try to put this ramp someplace there's no dog stuff, and there is. Nature of the beast. I mentioned before, man, I hope they make a wide max kit. That would be amazing. I mean, like I said, when I drove it stock like on 2S and you're doing this, it's fine. Now I've modified this past what the manufacturer specified, despite everybody telling me it says 3S ready. Tom Lee showed this video that it is heavy duty, bulletproof. But seriously, anybody that's been in the business as long as him ought to know not to run 3S on a direct drive. Anybody that's been in the hobby a minute knows this. That you just asking to blow stuff apart. Now granted, it is surprising it was the rear diff, not like the spur gear. But look at that, man. Since I tightened up the suspension on the back, it's not quite as nose heavy. It's actually jumping quite a bit better now. Heck yeah. Doing way better than it did before. I said this is battery number 4 actually through here. Because I don't video every time I take a car out. Ooh. And I have not, you know, knock on plastic, broken a diff. Check it out. Let's do some wheelies. Oh, nope. Wow. The back, these are really gummy, these are hard. But, oh man, there you have it. Thank you, Tyson, very much for the parts. I 100% approve. I said maybe you're on the fence on 3D printed parts. Ooh. I know a long time ago when I speed running the Vendetta, I bought some parts and they didn't work very well. They just shattered on impact. Well, until sometime later I was looking for roof skids. Oops. And I found his website, ordered them, and I was like, yeah, I was impressed. And then I saw he had like bumper mount for my 8S Outcast that I broke the first time, and then an ESC mount for my XRT. I bought those, man. I've been happy. Now we have a pretty good friendship going. I love supporting the mom and pop places, you know. And I think some people missed the whole point of what I was talking about in the last video when I said don't come here crying that you hate Traxxas. So people like, oh, I don't support. So Traxxas is over here. Traxxas is that gray building. They make the stuff. If you don't want to support them, don't buy through the website. Direct, you know. But over here, this little store, that's mom and pop guy that has some veteran employees or whoever, you know, has employees. And he's selling what they make over there, and that's how he makes his living. You want to punch them, you're hurting them. I understand the brand loyalty, man. If you don't like it, you don't like it. That's fine. You know, ain't nobody saying you have to buy the stuff and you don't have to like it, but geez. Between the wheelie barn and tightening up those shocks, that's a huge difference. I said this is pack number 4 on 3S. I haven't blown anything. Like I said, it could be coming. I just to me, I wanted to put 3S in here on direct drive. All right, everyone. The Garage Life RC parts, man, absolutely amazing. Let's just check. Let's see how everything's holding up here. Uh-oh. Got a dog treat. Between the wheelie barn and tightening up those shocks, that's That's a huge difference. I said this is pack number 4 on 3S. I haven't blown anything. Like I said, it could be coming. I just, to me, I wanted to put 3S in here on direct drive. All right, everyone. The Garage Life RC parts, man, absolutely amazing. Let's just check. Let's see how everything's holding up here. Uh-oh. Got a dog treat. Everything's good. But yeah, these body mounts here holding up good. The bumper mounts. I lost the front one. Oh no. Ooh, sorry, Tyson. That one shot out. I'm gonna have to go find that one. But man, the wheelie bar, I really love the side pieces, the battery strap, the ESC mount. So man, if you're looking to do this, go check out his website. Definitely at a minimum get the ESC mount, the battery strap, and that wheelie bar. Makes a huge difference. And this isn't the only colors he has. He has other colors. So I'll tell you what, man, this thing is, I'm actually liking it a little bit more now. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed watching. Yeah, throw my friends some business, man. You know, like I said, the mom and pop places, we gotta support them, especially when they make really good products. If he didn't, I wouldn't recommend it at all. Matter of fact, I had somebody give me something to test for the X Max. I couldn't recommend it because it failed my testing. So I won't recommend stuff if it don't work. Tyson stuff, boom, 100%. All right, everyone, thanks for watching. Links down below have you some discounts and ways to purchase this stuff, and it helps me out tremendously. Until next time, thank you for watching. See you on the next one.